What's up, guys? We are here at Get Lowered. We have Mike, the owner, and his dad, and we have Mike's wife in there, Megan. I'm going to introduce you to everyone inside in a second, but this is Get Lowered Cycles here in Pennsylvania. I'm going to leave you all the links down below in the description, the address, the phone number, who to contact if you want some work done. But like I've mentioned before, they put out some absolutely amazing builds. I mean, really, absolutely amazing builds. What's up, guys? How you doing? So we got Mike, Megan, and Mike. Easy. Wow, what did I just tell you guys? Some amazing, absolutely amazing builds here. That's sweet. That's nice.
Yeah, this one's mine.
Oh, this is yours. Wow, of course.
This is the shop bike here.
Wow, sweet. That is nice.
We just did the front end, the wheels, and the calipers and rotors.
Oh, wow. Oh, you did it all. Oh, how's the braking on that? It's got to be insane.
That's what we're doing.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. Ah, come on, carbon wheels. You got it all here on this bike. Jeez. I just seen that. I'm sorry? Oh, yeah, I can see that. I just seen this setup. And first time, like online, I forgot. Maybe it was, did you post something about it?
Yeah, we put up like a teaser shot of it.
Ah.
That was probably in there.
I can't wait to hear your thoughts on it.
Yeah,
Maybe you'll let me take it for a little spin when I come back. That is really trick. Wow. Is that Kraus front end?
Yeah, that's all the Kraus, the KRT kit.
Wow, that is really cool. Amazing. So that's a obviously it's Olin's, but it's a Kraus front end.
Yeah, so that's Kraus is the KRT converted front end.
Right.
So it's the Kraus triple trees for
Right.
mounts and everything. Then it's the Olin's tubes.
That is sweet. How is it with the carbon wheels?
They're actually new too, so maybe you met.
Oh,
the wheels
wow.
and the wow. Are all going to be a brand new aspect. No, we just got to bleed the brakes and build a brake line for the rear.
Coolest thing about the carbon front wheel makes it.
Oh yeah, it's a huge difference. All that rotating mass, and even handling in and out of turns.
Yeah.
It's wow.
They shave a lot of weight between the front end. They look good.
Right, they're just a little pricey, but big gains. Right. Wow.
Just the cam in there currently.
Oh, Cam, what do you have in it?
It's just got the zippers 468.
468. And what kind of power?
It's 110 and
138. Gotcha. Nice. That's good torque. That's a lot of torque.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so this has the HPI tunnel iron too on it.
Right.
We always see that adds a few foot-pounds of torque across the board. So that always does well for us and ends up on
Wow.
most of our builds.
And whose swing arm is this?
It's just a speed dealer.
Oh, that is sweet.
Dealer customs.
That is really nice. You have some really nice components on here. I mean, top notch.
Yeah, we kind of finished the entire drivetrain and the chassis first, and then we'll get into the motor.
So what are you gonna do? What's your plans?
Plans for this, we'll do a 139 T-main kit.
Oh, 139. Wow, nice.
So we just completed one recently in a soft tail. And so
How much power?
That was 167.
Wow.
And that was a
That's-
2020 Lowrider S.
That.
Yeah, and that's a fast bike.
Oh my God, that thing's got to move.
Well, that's the plans for this, the 139 T-main.
Beautiful. That is a great build. So which banner am I getting?
It's actually a new one.
But that's too big. That probably won't fit in my garage. Something smaller, yeah. So that's like where you guys ship out all the parts and stuff?
Yeah, so back here's all the shipping and receiving. Mm-hmm. You can go to the showroom real quick and then we'll
Yeah, sure. Yeah, show me around. Perfect.
Oh yeah, that's our brand new ones that we got.
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Yep, we're gonna put that right up. Thank you. Nice design too.
Open up here.
Little skateboard action too, huh?
We're all kinds of cool around here.
Hey, I got my skateboards hanging in the garage. Absolutely.
Yeah, it's our showroom.
Nice.
And see the dyno through the window and all.
I like that. So this way customers could chill out in here, not go into the shop area, right?
Right. Yeah, we get a lot of guys on Saturday, like if we're doing dyno tuning.
Oh, I like that. That's a
So
great
they'll just sit there
idea.
and
They'll just come and chill out?
Yeah, just hang out for a few hours.
I like that. It's got a lot of parts, nice showroom, got the windows here. That's a really good idea. Really nice.
Got some customer bikes, a couple other bikes that we built here for the past 10 or 15 years or so.
All right. Are these shop bikes or?
Yes, that one's mine. That
Sweet.
white Sportster is actually my wife's bike. That we. Yes,
Nice. It's nice. Badass. So you both ride. That's great.
Yeah, we all have dirt bikes too. So.
Isn't that probably one of the? That's the funnest, I think.
Yeah.
I always tell people, I ride them all, right? Because a lot of people say, "Oh, I just ride Harleys." No, I ride anything on two wheels.
Yeah,
you know.
that's right.
But I think dirt bikes are the absolute best.
Yeah, we got the big bikes. We got the little KLX 110s, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
It's ridden the most.
Yeah. So these are all customers' bikes.
Some of them.
Some of them.
Are. FXR is mine. This is another shop bike that we've been using for like exhaust testing.
Sweet. Beautiful shot, man. Really nice. And this customers?
Yeah, it's a customer's bike.
So a lot of people ask, like, how busy are you guys? Like, how much weight, like, lead time do you need?
So the parts business online, that's the majority of what we do.
Right.
So getlower.com. So that's, I'd probably say, the bulk of our business. And then service-wise, we're probably like 6 weeks out or so.
6 weeks out?
6 weeks
Okay,
out, yeah.
okay. That's not bad. Yeah.
We do a lot of motor work, a lot more custom builds. It's kind of a specialty.
Oh, yeah.
But we can't
Absolutely.
do like inspections or anything like that.
Yeah,
It's
right,
kind of
right,
more just
right.
Custom.
Okay. Cool.
No, we ship out a couple hundred packages a day too, all over the
Wow.
world.
Wow.
So,
Busy,
it's all the
busy.
shipping and receiving side.
Gotcha. Nice. Good morning. We'll put you on there too.
Your phone probably won't work afterwards.
We've got some more of the banners. Got to give you one of the M8 banners too.
Sweet. Yeah, definitely. Absolutely.
A couple new ones that we got there.
Nice.
We got all the Saddleman, the Orleans.
Sweet. Saddleman, baby. Wow.
Yeah.
Guys got it all.
Trying to keep all the good stuff in stock.
Yeah, I know, right? Is it getting easier? Like after COVID, is it starting to get easier with getting parts and stuff?
Yeah, we do a pretty good job of keeping stuff on order constantly.
Yeah.
So like during COVID and all, like we didn't run out of very much stuff.
And this area is
Just kind of bikes waiting.
Gotcha.
to be worked on. That's all parts and just parts for builds and waiting to be worked on.
So you work on Indian as well?
No, just Harley Davidson. This one's kind of more of a favorite for someone.
Gotcha. Okay.
Harley Davidson.
You hear that? No Indians in here. Okay? No Indians, just Harley. Oh wow. Look at that.
Put you on that chopper back there.
Oh no, that's not for me. Holy cow. Whose is that? Yours? Oh damn. Look at that.
There's some of the first parts Mikey sold.
There's no way. There's no way. Especially with that seat and being a hardtail. No way. No way. You need the preparation H for that one. When's the last time you've ridden that thing, honestly?
10 years.
So you just go over there and dust it off every now and then?
Do that.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, right? It's just a showpiece now. You should hang it up like somewhere.
Used to be in the showroom, and now I got
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, we got a room.
Where's your bike? Where's your daily rider?
my old soft tail up there.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, nice, sweet.
Ride everybody else's bike.
Right.
Ride a different bike every weekend.
That's true. That's true. You got to test ride them. Absolutely. Nice Road King customers.
Yeah, that's a brand new one.
Brand new, I see. Yeah.
Work on. Yeah, it's got 2 miles on it. Came right from the dealership.
That's the way to do it, right? Why wait around? People often like warranty, but I never hear of anybody having like motor issues.
Right.
You know, I really don't.
Yeah.
I know people, and stage 2 is really kind of, it's reliable,
Yeah.
right? What do you guys think?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah.
We don't have any issues with it.
Right.
But I mean, compared to the Harley, you get a lot more power going
Right.
off the market, so it's definitely worth it in our opinion.
So let me ask you this, and I want to know your opinion. So obviously, we're doing the Screaming Eagle 128 kit. They did supply me with the fan for the oil cooler. What do you guys normally do on high power builds?
Yeah, any big bore kits we do use that, so we use the Harley Davidson oil cooler fan.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's all we use.
And you're not having like any issues or anything like
no,
that?
We still avoid like real high heat conditions and like parades and stuff, but with that fan,
Right.
that the bike tuned properly.
No
really
problem.
issues, no.
Right. So a lot, you see maybe other people maybe tuning the bikes a little lean and making them run hot, or?
Not. I mean, it's really if people do the work and then never get the bike dyno tuned.
Right.
And then that's where.
Or use the generic tune or something?
Yeah, if they use like just a download and then never get an exact dyno tune.
And they don't change the oil. That's true. That's true. Yeah, that's a big thing. If you ever run into a high heat situation, go home, change that oil, no?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, it just degrades.
Keep it clean, right?
It looks like black paint.
Right. Right, that's true. So let's go over. So you guys are obviously doing the 128. What cam are we gonna put in the bike?
So in this one, we're going to use the Star Racing 3/4 cam.
Okay.
And then along with that, the Star Racing.
Are those the parts?
Yeah.
Can you show
Parts
us?
in here.
Yeah.
And then we got the Trask chain kit set aside for you.
Awesome.
EK chain with it. We got a Trask chain.
Oh, that's really nice.
So we got the rear sprocket and we got the PBI front sprocket there.
Cool. And this is question. This is stock gear ratio.
Yeah, stock ratio we kept on here.
Cool.
They do have an option to go
Right.
bigger for acceleration.
Right.
We got our starter valve springs here.
And even though the head's stage 4, they say, I'm sure they probably have a heavier duty spring, but you still would recommend to replace them.
I think they accommodate up to like a 540 lift, where it's going to be a little bit bigger than that.
This is 585, you said?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay.
I'll check the specs on it. But yeah, it's a little bit bigger than what the Screaming Eagle cams would accommodate.
Gotcha.
3/4 down here.
Nice. Sweet. Yeah, we couldn't use that cam they gave us.
And we just got the chain.
Got
and
the chain.
That's the SNS oil pump and cam bleeder.
Awesome.
The gold chain, Mike.
All black one, I'm pretty sure.
Is this another thing you recommend to everybody doing a big power build, going with the SNS oil
Yeah, if
pump?
you're up in the displacement, we
Right.
like to use the SNS cam play and oil pump setups.
Right. Nice. Sweet. Good components, right? That's what you pretty much use on all your builds, right? The
Yeah,
SNS?
across the board we end up. Yeah,
Nice.
we always use SNS.
The air cleaner that I have on my bike, I like it because it's kind of sleek, doesn't get in the way of my knee.
Right.
Can we use that?
I'll have to double check which one you got on there.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of times you can just upgrade the filter in it.
Right.
I mean, we can see on the dyno too. If
Right.
it's more flow, we'll try to run without it.
Okay, then the next question is, I have the 2-into-1 Outlaw exhaust. I have the reducer on it now, so obviously that's gonna built back pressure a little bit.
Yeah, it'll help us out a little bit. I mean,
So what do you think? Are we gonna need that, or are we gonna need to take it off, or what, since we're raising the
there's a good chance
displacement?
we might end up keeping it in there just to
Oh,
get that
okay.
better curve out of it.
Okay,
But that's again something we can test.
because I do like it on there because the sounds pretty sick with it in there. Yeah.
Yeah. Is it the louvered insert, or is it like a?
It's just a reducer. It actually just makes the diameter a little bit smaller.
Right.
Like I'll show you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll check it out. I mean,
Cool.
We'll test it out and we'll see whatever gets the most power out of it.
Awesome. I'm gonna hand off my GoPro to the boss right there, Megan, and she's going to document the build because I cannot obviously be here every day, and to keep things running smoothly, I'll be back. So when I come back, whenever you guys tell me to come back, I guess we'll do a couple dyno runs.
Yeah, so first thing we're going to do is we'll put it up on the dyno, get our
Right.
baseline numbers of it.
Okay.
Our dyno and
Right, okay. So at least we could get a couple dyno runs so they could hear it.
yeah, definitely.
Sing. All right, guys, listen, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, and can't wait to come back. All of the links will be down below in the description, and we'll see you guys when the bike has a lot more power.
Different bike when you get it back.
Different bike, absolutely. All right, Mike's gonna take Madmax and just do a baseline dyno run. All right, so just so you guys know, the bike has on its highest 102 horsepower and 108 foot-pounds of torque. All right, Mike, thank you, brother. Thanks for everything, man. Pleasure.